So Kinley and Kennedy, out of a stroke of luck, had an opportunity to participate in one of the few clinical trials for gene therapy for GM1. It was in the middle of COVID. We actually were able to secure a spot because another child from the UK was not able to travel to the United States for the treatment. So literally a month or two after diagnosis, we were packing up and heading to Washington, D.C. to go get gene therapy. It is a one-time therapy delivered intravenously through an IV, and maybe it works, maybe it doesn't. You don't know. But I think what a lot of people didn't see was everything that the girls had to go through leading up to that therapy. They had to qualify. They had to go through a whole host of tests. We're talking 30 vials of blood being taken in a single sitting. And Kinley and Kennedy would sit there and smile through it, as crazy as that sounds. Doing overnight EEGs and sleep studies to try to see if there's any seizure activity going on at night. Going through swallow studies to see if they have control of their tongue and their mouth, and are they able to chew and swallow safely. Bone density scans, x-rays, MRIs, spinal taps, all of the above in a very short period of time just to have the opportunity for that treatment. And since they've gone back every year and done that whole host of exams and procedures all over again. So the therapy, it takes time to understand if it worked and how it worked. And honestly, I don't know if we ever will know exactly if it did work and if it did how. But for us, when you have zero options, you take anything you can get. You're their parents. You're going to fight for them. Despite the odds, you're always going to fight for them.
The gene therapy clinical trial that the girls participated in has been a roller coaster, but we are beyond grateful that they had the opportunity to participate. Personally, I do believe it has helped slow down the progression. We do not feel Kinley would be as mobile as she is today if she did not receive that treatment.